Oatmeal. Oatmeal, okay? We're cooking it. You could add a little bit of 50% water, 50% milk, whole milk. You could just put water. I like to mix milk with water. Okay. So we're gonna make it a little bit exotic. We're gonna add pure black chocolate in here. Just like that. One goes in, two goes in. That's it. We're gonna let that melt in to our oatmeal. And voila. You know, if it's not enough, if you want more chocolate, you could go ahead and add more, which I'm probably going to, but so far it looks fine. I'm getting that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful chocolate color. Look how it turns brown. Yep. Right there. Right there. Look at that. Chocolate. You see that? We don't want to put too much. We don't want to make it too sweet. We like it like this. It's cacao color chocolate. 3 more minutes ready to be eaten. Cool it off. Portion it. And you got oatmeal. Chocolate oatmeal. Bon appetit.